listen well, there's something here I just have to tell. Looking back on the way we were, two young lovers taking on the world. To have and hold you, to love and adore you, I'll always be with you forever, till our last surrender, our last surrender, last surrender, our last surrender. We're still moving on as we make the climb to the top of the mountain for the very last time. I don't care how hard it's gonna get, how hard the cold winds blow, nothing's gonna break us. We will weather the storm. To have and hold you, love and adore you, always be with you forever, till our last surrender, our last surrender, last surrender, our last surrender. Adore you, I'll always be with you forever, till our last surrender, our last surrender, last surrender, our last surrender.
This dance is called Last Surrender, choreographed by Ria Vos. It's a 32 count, 2-wall, intermediate level, rolling 8 count line dance. There's no tag or restarts in this dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, rock back, recover. Full turn to your left with a sweep. Half turn left, stepping back, half turn left, stepping forward with a sweep. Weave, cross, side, behind. Side rock and sway to left, recover. Full turn to your right. Half turn right, stepping to side, half turn right, stepping to side with a sweep. Jazz box, cross, back, side. Section 2, cross rock, recover, 3/4 turn right. Quarter turn right, stepping forward, half turn right, stepping back with a sweep. Sailor step, behind with a sweep. Step back and sit. Forward, 1.5 turn left. Half turn left, stepping back, half turn left, stepping forward, half turn left, stepping back. Section 3, rock back, recover, quarter turn right, stepping to side, behind with a sweep, behind side, cross with a quarter turn left, hitch your right foot. Forward with a sweep, weave, cross, side, behind, side. Section 4, cross and hitch your right foot, behind, side. Cross and hit your left foot, coaster step. Step forward, pivot half turn left, both step forward, pivot half turn right, quarter turn right, stepping to side. Last step. Now let me show you the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the count. That's the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.